Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I am here to share with you the completed cards for the January 2019 card making kit. It's going to center around the Forever Lovely stamp set and the coordinating framelits. There are 8 cards that are absolutely beautiful. In addition to the free pre-cut supplies to make the 8 cards, I have a video that's loaded with tips. You'll stamp right along with me from home. I'll give you lots of ideas and suggestions along the way as well. I'll also include a PDF tutorial with multiple pictures of each card and step-by-step instructions to include cutting dimensions and a supply list. The cutting dimensions, the pictures, and instructions are really helpful if you decide to copy the layouts for other cards in the future. There is no monthly obligation, and this is not a club. Let's head over to the stamp table and let me show you the cards included in this month's kit. You'll make 2 of each of the cards that I'm going to show you here. I'll include the pre-cut supplies. You're going to need some ink pads, and if you want the same accessories that I have here, you can go ahead and include those. My card kit is completely free with a $50 minimum product order, and that's before shipping and tax. It is imperative that you use the exclusive card making kit host code. That's the only way I know that you're entitled to the pre-cut supplies. Look at the peekaboo on this card here. I'm going to give you lots of tips along the way, making it really easy for you to stamp with me from home. Placing your order is easy. You can do it right through my online store. There you can choose any products that you'd like. You can use the stamp set and the framelits that I've used, the ink pads and the accessories. I have a complete list over on lisasstampstudio.com under the online classes tab for card making kits. If you already have those products, you can choose whatever you'd like. It's any $50 product order before shipping and tax. Please make sure you use the exclusive host code. Again, it's the only way that I know you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies. Video and PDF tutorial. The ordering dates for the January card kit are January 9th through the 12th only. I have a promised mail date of no later than January 19th, and they're sent to you first class mail at my expense. The best part about your order is it's Stampin' Up's largest sale of the year celebration. For every $50 you spend in product, you'll be able to choose any item from this brochure for absolutely free. Now, if your order's very large, $100, there are $100 selections in here as well. If your order happens to be $150 in product before shipping and tax, please do not use the exclusive card making kit host code, but you must email me to let me know that that order was intended for the card kit so that I can include the free pre-cut supplies in the mail for you. And as an added bonus, all of my customers receive a private invitation to a Live with Lisa event. There, during this live event, I provide numerous demonstrations, product prize giveaway drawings, and a bundle of tutorials. The event is held on Facebook in a private group, but if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. Just let me know when you've placed your order, and I'll be happy to include the event recording to you via email. And of course, you'll get the tutorials via email, and your name will certainly still be in the product prize drawing. I hope that you'll join us for the January card making kit, Forever Lovely.